In this video, I'll show you how to view the income statement of a stock on Yahoo Finance. So to get started, go ahead and open the Yahoo Finance app on your device. Make sure that you're actually signed into your account. So take note that you can also do this on their website. Now go ahead and head over into that specific stock where you want to view the income statement of a stock too. So in here, you can go ahead and find information about the stock, such as its behavior and others. Head over into the financials tab. So you'll find that at the bottom right of your screen. In here, go ahead and head over into the earnings part. So in here, you'll be able to actually view the earnings of this specific stock on a big chart. So you can view more of your added stocks into your list and its earnings on this section. So to be able to view the income statement of a stock, you'll be able to find that once you actually head back into your portfolio and head back into that specific stock, financials, click on performance and click on this view more button. That will redirect you into this section. So this is the income statement of this specific stock, and that is how you can view income statement of a stock on Yahoo Finance. Thank you so much for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.